Good morning, this is the latest market news. I am Uliana. Asian stock markets are mostly trading notably lower on Monday, with investors pressing sales amid mounting concerns about the conflict in Ukraine and on some weak economic data from China as well as Japan. The benchmark Nikkei 225 index was down 1.1% at the end of the morning session. On the economic front, Japan's gross domestic product was up 0.2% on quarter in the fourth quarter of 2013, the Cabinet Office said in Monday's final reading. That was in line with forecast, although it was down from last month's preliminary reading for 0.3%, which was unchanged from the third quarter. In the Australian market, mining stocks are down sharply. The benchmark ASX 200 index is down 0.93%. Gold prices fell marginally in Asian trade on Monday, awaiting fresh direction after better-than-expected U.S. non-farm payrolls data last week that pointed to a steady pace of tapering aggressive monetary easing by the Fed. On the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold futures for April delivery traded at $1,334.10 a troy ounce, down 0.31%, after settling last week at $1,338.20, down 1.01%. Despite Friday's losses, COMEX gold prices ended with 1.24% weekly gain, or $16.60, thanks to the advances made earlier in the week on the back of heightened tensions between Russia and the US over Russia's involvement in Ukraine's political crisis. Monday is a quiet day for US economic news, a lot that will focus attention on a trio of industrial production updates for Europe's main economies excluding Germany. France industrial production 7:45 GMT. It's clear that Europe's second largest economy is still struggling to right itself, but there are green shoots in some corners. Manufacturing in particular seems to be making some progress, albeit in relative terms. Manufacturing activity is still contracting in France, but at the slowest rate in 5 months. Does that imply a recovery for industrial activity overall? Today's update on the hard data for January will provide an answer. Pay close attention to the year-over-year comparison, which provides a robust measure of the trend. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.